birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, hello boys and girls. I am very excited to be here with you today. I hope that you are in the pink of health. I am Flora from SK Taman Sungai Besi Indah. Together with me today is our sign language teacher, Madam Fatimatul Zahra binti Othman from SK Putra Jaya, Presin 181. Today, we are going to learn basic operations again. In the previous lesson, you learned to do addition and subtraction. Today, you are going to learn to do multiplication and division. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand the basic concept of multiplication, understand the basic concept of division, multiply one-digit numbers with 10, and divide any two-digit numbers with 10. Do you know why I was singing the happy birthday song earlier? Well, today is my cat's birthday. Her name is Onyx. I hope you won't mind helping me to sort out some goodies for 3 children who have been really nice to her. As we sort out the goodies, we can learn to do multiplication and division together. Multiplication? What is that? Do you know what multiplication is? Before I explain what multiplication is, let me show you the symbol of multiplication. This is the multiplication symbol. Now, I will explain what multiplication is. Multiplication is a repeated addition of equal groups together. Instead of adding the same number again and again, we can simplify the operation into multiplication. Let me show you what this means while we count the goodies that I have brought for Onyx's birthday. I have 5 baskets of cereal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each basket has 3 boxes of cereals. 1, 2, 3. There are 5 baskets of cereals and each basket has 3 boxes of cereals. When we add them together, this is how we would write the mathematical sentence. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15. We have 15 boxes of cereals all together. Now, instead of using addition, Let's write this equation using multiplication. How do we write the mathematical sentence for multiplication? When we add them together, this is how we would write the mathematical sentence. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15. We have 15 boxes of cereal together. Now, instead of using addition, let's write this equation using multiplication. How do we write the mathematical sentence for multiplication? Here is the rule. The number of groups times the number of objects in each group is equal to the total number of objects. For this case, the number of groups is 5 because we have 5 baskets of cereals. There are 3 boxes of cereals in each basket, which means that there are 3 in each group. Therefore, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Let's try to do this calculation using the number line. 5 times 3 is equal to 3. 6, 9, 12, 15. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. I would like you to try this next situation. I have 3 baskets of chocolate milk cartons. 1, 2, and 3. Each basket has 4 cartons of chocolate milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. What should we write first? Yes, the number of groups. How many groups do we have now? Yes, we have 3 groups. Let's write the number 3. Then we write the multiplication symbol. What should we write next? Yes, the number of chocolate milk cartons in each group. How many cartons of chocolate milk do we have in each group? Exactly, there are 4 in each group because each basket has 4 cartons of chocolate milk. Let's write the number 4 followed by the equal symbol. We have now written 3 times 4. What should be the product of 3 times 4? Yes, the total number of chocolate milk cartons. 3 groups of chocolate milk cartons times 4 cartons of chocolate milk in each group. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 cartons of chocolate milk all together. Let's write the number 12. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Great job! Now, let's practice using these balls in the picture given. There are 4 baskets of balls. There are 4 balls in each basket. How should we write this? You're right. Let's write 4 times 4. How many balls do we have all together? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 balls altogether. You are really smart. Now, you have learned the basic concept of multiplication. What about division? Let me show you the symbol for division. This is the symbol for division. What is division all about? Division is to distribute a number of objects equally into groups. What does this mean? Let me help you to understand this as we distribute the goodies for Onyx's birthday. Here is the rule. To write the mathematical sentence for division, we must write the total number of objects divided by the number of groups equal to the number of objects in each group. How many boxes of cereals did we have earlier? Yes, we had 15 boxes of cereals. Write the number 15. After that, let's write the division symbol. How many groups were there? Yes, 3. We had distributed our cereal boxes equally to 3 children. Now we will write 3 followed by the equal symbol. How many boxes of cereals will each child receive? That's right. Each child will receive 5 boxes of cereals. Let's write the number 5. Therefore, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Now, I will put an equal number of these cereal boxes into 3 bags. Let me explain this using the number line. 15 divided by 3. I have drawn a number line up to 15 for you. I will minus 3 using the number line until there is nothing left. 15 minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. I have subtracted 3 from 15 5 times until there was nothing left. Therefore, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. I would like you to try this situation now. We have 12 cartons of chocolate milk. We are going to distribute them equally to 3 children. Let's do this the way we did it earlier. What should we do first? Good! Let's distribute them one by one for each child. 1 for the first child, 1 for the second child, 1 for the third child, 2, 3, 4. We are done. How should we write this? Right. 12 divided by 3. How many will each child receive? Good counting. Each child will be receiving 4 cartons of chocolate milk. Now, let's write the mathematical sentence. What should we write first? Yes, the total number of objects. How many cartons of chocolate milk were there? You're right. There were 12 cartons of chocolate milk. The total number of objects is 12. Write the number 12 followed by the division symbol. What should we write next? Wow, you're very smart. The number of groups. How many groups were there? Exactly. There were 3 children, which means 3 groups of chocolate milk cartons. Write the number 3 followed by the equal symbol. Finally, what should we write? Yes, correct. The number of objects in each group. How many cartons of chocolate milk does each child get? Wonderful! You are very smart. Each child gets 4 cartons of chocolate milk. This means that there are 4 in each group. Last but not least, write the number 4. Therefore, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Now I will put these chocolate milk cartons equally into 3 bags. Now let's practice using the apples in this picture. How many apples are there? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to divide them into 2 baskets. Let's move one into the first basket. Then, let's move another one into the other basket. Let's continue doing this until there is no apple left in the big basket. Alright, we are done. How many apples are there in each basket? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples in each basket. Now let's write the mathematical sentence. Let's begin with the total number of objects. How many apples were there altogether? Correct! There were 10 apples. How many groups were there? You're right. We had divided them equally into 2 groups. Finally, let's write the number of objects in each group. How many apples were there in each group? Exactly! There were 5 apples in each group. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. You did a great job! Now you have learned the basic concept of division. I'm sure you have understood the basic concept of both multiplication and division. Let's learn a simple trick about multiplying by 10. This trick only works for whole numbers, which we are learning right now. It is very easy. You just need to put a 0 at the end of the number you are multiplying by 10. Here is an example. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. We just need to put a 0 after 3. Let's check this out. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Is that correct? Yes, it is. 3 times 10 is equal to 30, and so is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. When 3 is multiplied by 10, we can simply put a 0 at the end of number 3, which makes the answer 30. Now it's your turn. What is the product of 6 times 10? Excellent! The answer is 60. Just add a 0 to 6 and you will get 60 as the product. Boys and girls, you have learned the trick for any whole numbers multiplied by 10. Now let's learn another trick. What about numbers divided by 10? I will now show you a trick that only works for whole numbers that end with a 0. Every time we divide by 10, we need to eliminate one 0 at the end of our number. Remember that this only works with numbers that end with a 0. Here is one example. 70 divided by 10 is equal to 7. All I needed to do was to eliminate one 0 at the end of 70. Therefore, my answer is 7. Now it's your turn to try the next question. 50 divided by 10. What is your answer? Great job! You're right. The answer is 5. All you need to do is to eliminate the 0 at the end of 50. That is how we get the answer 5. Bravo! You have learned very well today. I am very proud of you. You are now able to understand the basic concept of multiplication, understand the basic concept of division, multiply one-digit numbers with 10, and divide two-digit numbers with 10. Thank you so much for helping me sort out the goodies for my cat Onyx's birthday. You are very nice to her. Here is a bag of goodies for you. Goodbye!